Chicago is seriously such a vibe.
I started at Millennium Park to see the iconic bean.
There is incredible art everywhere, like the Pritzker Pavilion and fountains.
I explored Maggie Daley Park for these slides and the Enchanted Forest.
I watched the climbers before walking down to Lake Michigan. But let's be real, you need that legendary deep dish.
Let's go.
Most people just walk right past this building on Michigan Avenue without realizing what is inside.
This is the Chicago Cultural Center. It is completely free, absolutely stunning, and honestly, a total vibe.
Just head past the street performers to find the world's largest Tiffany stained glass dome. I mean, look at that.
Every floor is packed with art galleries, marble staircases, and a secret library that feels like a movie set. Our friends here are literally using it for wedding photos because the lighting is basically a cheat code.
Having a great time walking around the city, enjoying the views. Yeah, it's really nice out here.
So funny, so interesting. Wow. This is Michigan Avenue. I'm walking on the Michigan Avenue. This is Chicago Public Library. This is Chicago Cultural Center. Chicago Cultural Center, theater. The Chicago Public Library Cultural Center. The Cultural Center, so beautiful, see? That's just first floor, and there are 4 floors about this.
That's really cool.
Wow. So beautiful. So libraries. Actually, that's the second time I come to this library. Yeah, it's beautiful. There's a wedding ceremony here. Wow. There's a gift shop, I think, and there's a theater. Oh. So many art work here, huh? All right. This is the third floor. Somebody taking a graduation photo here. Exhibit hall. Hello.
I can't believe I'm here. This fountain is amazing. Let me get a good photo. Perfect. I love this building. Looks great. Let me get another one. Perfect.
Well, that's a Michigan lake. Okay, beautiful. Many kids over there. Everybody? Our original plan is walk to the Buckingham Fountain, but unfortunately, the whole Grand Park is closed today until Monday. Maybe because this weekend is a very big event. They need to prepare the place for the activity. Okay. But now we still can go to the Michigan Lake. So beautiful. The sheer Michigan Lake, and you can see far away there's a two building over there, right? The white one on the right side is called Field Museum, I think so, and the left one, the brown one on the left side is called Space Museum. Look at that beautiful skyline. Valley Park. Enchanted forest. Wow, wow. Wow. Pizza. Pizza.
This is half deep.
Deep.
It's not too deep though.
Too deep, but it's deep
It's
enough.
half deep.
Half deep.
Yeah,
Okay.
Half deep pizza.
What's the name again? What's the name again?
Orny.
Oni.
H-O-R. But you like the full name is Hornado, but we call it Orny.
Hornado.
Hornado.
So just do the original. Whoever wants to put it in his thing.
Oh, if you're gonna put it on your thing, do the original. So you're gonna get